Alright, I'm going to show you a symptom if you're having a stuck rotor or caliper. It could possibly just be the hose here. It's swollen or kinked. So first to check is pop your bleeder valve, and if nothing's coming out, oh well, now it is because I did break this free. If nothing's coming out, a big possibility it could be is a swollen thing here. I already cracked it a bit, but just if you're in a pinch, and I do have the replacement hose, but I can't get that flare off. You get a flathead in there and break her free. Giving it that extra. Still want to have these replaced, but spread her open. Hopefully that does something. See, now we got fluid coming out like we didn't before. Another, well, the first way to check too is to see if you have a stuck caliper is feel if it's hot, and then feel the other ones. Hopefully that is enough to